silent, gentle servant moves only as by thee. Its members every moment held subject to thy call, ready to help